In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, via the console web UI. This is an essential skill if you're looking to manage your resources efficiently, or if a project has run its course and it's time to retire it. Before we dive in, it's important to remember that deleting a project in GCP is a significant action with far-reaching consequences because it will remove not just the project itself, but all associated resources. However, Google provides a 30-day grace period during which the deletion can be reversed, just in case you change your mind or made an error. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to sign in to the Google Cloud Console. This is your control center for managing Google Cloud resources, so make sure you have the correct credentials to log in. Once you're in, your next move is to focus on the upper area of the interface. There, you'll find the project selector. Clicking on it will reveal a list of your current projects. It's crucial to double-check that you're viewing the correct project you intend to delete, to avoid any unwanted mistakes. Next, we'll navigate to the sidebar menu. Within this menu, you will see an option labeled IAM and Admin. Hover over it and then select Manage Resources. This section is where you can view detailed information about all your projects and make changes as needed. Here's where you'll locate the project on your list that you want to delete. But don't just rush in and click. Take a moment to ensure it is indeed the right one. Once you've confirmed you have the correct project, look for the three vertical dots, also known as the Action menu, next to the project's name. Click on them, and you'll be presented with a couple of actions you can take. In this case, you'll want to choose Shut Down or Delete. By continuing this action, you confirm that you're ready to initiate the deletion process. Upon selecting this option, the console will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. Here's where attention to detail is crucial. The system will request that you enter the project ID exactly as it is displayed. This step ensures that you're fully aware of the project you're about to delete. Finally, after entering the project ID, click on Shut Down or Delete to set the ball rolling. At this point, the project will enter the 30-day grace period. During this time, you're given the opportunity to undo this action if necessary. This grace period acts as a safety net, granting you peace of mind that not all is lost immediately should your circumstances change or if a mistake was made. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to delete a project in Google Cloud Platform using the console web UI.